Hey, hi guys. So in this tutorial, we will be building this accordion component, and this will have a open and collapsible panel area, and now it would be a reusable although some same time. So it would be built with the help of using React and TypeScript. So let's begin. So let's start with creating the this component. So this is in the React TypeScript. So let me create a component and let me rename it, let's say accordion. We can get rid of this. We can import useState, and so for this we need a button which will act as a to toggle between the panel. Okay, so we need a button first. Let's say suppose it would be a title, and let this div be a panel area. Okay, so I have created a state variable, show panel, which would be a false, and which would be a boolean. So it would be false initially, so panel would be hidden here, and I am creating a function which would we use on the button click, so that we can toggle between the uh, show panel. It can be true and false. So let's jump with this. For now, let's just render the panel area with the help of these boolean values. After that, we can make it through the CSS. I will cover that part. Show panel. Then I am choosing to show this area. So this show panel is a boolean use state. Okay, boolean state variable, and then its first is a false, so it will be not visible, and then after that whenever it is turned to true, it would be this panel area would be visible. Okay, that is the logic here. So set show panel is doing nothing but it's checking the previous value of that this state variable and inverting it. Okay, just if it's false, then it just gives a true. Okay, and if it's true, then it gives a false value. Okay, it is how this is working, right? It is just toggling between the true and false. So let's see if I can run this. Let me get rid of this. Okay, here we are using importing this accordion and just rendering it. Let's see what it renders. You can see the title is the button here, and the panel area you can see like this. So we want this component to be like a very responsive. Okay, so if it is used in different places, it should be adapt the length width of that area. So this component should be like having a width of the 100%. So let's work on it. So here is the panel, and this I can give okay. Let me import it first. Here I'm using CSS modules. So just for scoping this styles within this accordion panel, accordion only. And so this is very common technique used to scope the CSS for this styles, and you can say accordion. And we can name of accordion and accordion button. So it's a BEM convention I'm following. We'll explore it more on the upcoming tutorials. Now I should give the margin of so it's considering a top down and it's considering a left right. So in this case left right it would be 0 and top down would be 10 px, and same for like accordion button. It would be 100%. Okay, and let's pick a color from color picker. Let's say okay, just like this. And so let's see this how it is going on. Okay, you can see this like this, our title. Now I need to make this our cursor as a pointer. Okay, so there should be a hand like symbol should appear. I think border we can make it none, and border radius let it be like 5 px. see. Okay, now what we can do is like whenever the button is like the panel area is open for this button, okay, then at the time we can make it light, the color of the button light, so we can add a conditional styles. So we can do something like this. If show panel is true, then we can like we can use this to be active. Okay, this can be active. This is a BAM convention, and what active would do is I can explain it like let's make this background color at that time a little dark, something. Okay, now make this transition. Okay, so here we are have given accordion button class, and this class has some like background color and width, and there is an active state which will just change the color of the button on 0.2 seconds, and this toggle panel will update the state. So now make this title. This title should be passed from the props, so we need to make a props type. I must say accordion props. So we start passing title from here. Say accordion 1 and same. So this is accordion 1, 2, 3. These are the titles that have been passed. Let's say okay, this is working exactly what we wanted. Okay, and now we need to work on the panel area. So we can hide and show the panel with the help of the JavaScript, but I prefer to use CSS method. So applying like CSS hide and show with the help of the CSS, toggling the classes, and with that approach we can add a little bit animations, smooth transition. Okay, now let me this. Panel area. Again, it would be 100%. Okay, this width would be 100%. Max height being 0 for now. Overflow can be hidden. Can keep this padding. Let's see. Okay, and you see this height is not what we require. That the content inside here is just hiding because of their height. We have not decided. So we can do that by scroll height. We can Now so what I did here is I gave a panel ref. So panel a ref value. Okay, so a ref will now, what we do is we would use the inline styles in the HTML React div, and then we would set panel ref dot current scroll height into scroll height pixels. So according to the height of the content, it will adjust itself. So let me show you some examples. Let me copy this, and let's see. As you can see, we can see the whole text instead of the height not given. Okay, and now we need to change something regarding the we don't need this padding anymore. Now what we can do is like we can add this transition but on the max height level. As you can see, the transition is being smooth over here. Okay, now we can do one thing is like this panel being a separate content in means like element in itself. We need to pass it from the let's make it children prop for this. Okay, Not that. Yes. Now you can see we have passed it from the parent, and let's keep this for the, let's say, the one. And you can see the panel is adjusting itself according to the height of the content. And one thing we are missing is right now we need to close it also, correct? So now let's close this, add the closing logic. So we can use the same like logic here, like what we did here with the show panel. We can pick up the same. Yes, so guys, this is uh, what we have created right now. So this is accordion component, and this is reusable, and we can use it over the many places for the React web application. Okay, so thanks guys was for watching this. I will keep uploading some small components, building the components and uploading it on the YouTube. Thanks.